Hi, I'm Marayka, Data3's HP device specialist, and today I'm going to be unboxing HP's newest edition, the ProBook x360 435. This 2-in-1 convertible laptop with a sleek and durable design is made with an anodised aluminium chassis, which is ideal for learning and staying connected even from home. Here we have the box the laptop comes in, and as part of HP's sustainability initiative, the 435 is packed with a fibre-based cushion, which is eco-friendly and easily recyclable. Inside we have the laptop, the optional HP Pro Pen, and the power adapter. The ProBook x360 435 is equipped with AMD's latest Ryzen 4000 series multi-core processor with proven performance, outstanding graphics, and long life battery, which makes it the perfect device for the modern student in subjects from creative arts to STEM learning. The 435 will get you through a full school day powered by a 3-cell battery, providing up to 17 hours of battery life. For those students who forget to charge it overnight, the HP Fast Charge technology, you can plug the device in the morning or at lunchtime, and for 30 minutes it will give you up to 50% of battery use. Along with other HP products, the ProBook x360 435 undergoes extensive testing for durability. Some of these tests include the drop test, the hinge life cycle, and shock tests, all to withstand accidents that happen in the school environment. With the proven hinge, you can go from collaborating in clamshell to drawing in tablet form. Paired with the HP Pro Pen, with 2048 pressure levels and palm rejection technology, it makes the perfect tool for expressing creativity or note-taking, and the best part is, it feels like a real pen. Learn from anywhere with the built-in high-definition camera, the integrated dual-array microphone, and the stereo speakers to improve your collaboration experience. It's also got Wi-Fi 6 for reliable connectivity and Bluetooth to pair your favorite accessories. One of the key features of the device is the world-facing autofocus camera, which is perfect for students who want to take a photo in video or tablet mode with instant access to the content straight on the device. You can even interact with a dinosaur. The world is in the palm of your hands. Whether you're going to your next class or returning home for the day, the ProBook x360 435 provides full mobility without having to compromise on functionality or weight. There is no need to be carrying around any adapters or dongles, as the 435 has full-size ports, including a USB-C Type-C, HDMI, audio jack, a micro SD slot, and 2 USB 3.1 ports, one on each side. The 435 comes with business-grade security below, in, and above the OS, giving you layers of protection, even from unknown or zero-day firmware attacks, where traditional antivirus don't always detect. This device can also be configured with IR camera and fingerprint reader for Windows Hello. The ProBook x360 435 is ideal either for learning in the classroom or collaborating at home. If you're interested in finding out more or would like a demonstration, please contact your Data3 account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.